Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the game. Press Options, go to Accessibility, and enable subtitles or captions immediately. Do this now because the game-level captions control dialogue display and timing. Changing system settings won't override them. Once done, set the subtitle language and choose readable font size and background opacity so text stays legible against bright scenes. Make sure to save or confirm settings before returning to gameplay. This ensures captions load with cutscenes and regular dialogue without needing a restart. Next, align console language and installed game assets so subtitles match spoken audio. You open your PS settings and confirm system language and preferred languages. Uncharted 4 sometimes pulls localization assets from the console. If subtitles still show incorrectly, check that the game's language pack or DLC is installed and up to date. Once you install missing packs, restart the game to force a fresh load. Doing this ensures timing and translations sync correctly and reduces mismatched lines during cutscenes. Finish by updating both the game and console firmware. Many subtitle bugs are fixed in patches. If captions still fail, rebuild the PS database or reinstall Uncharted 4 to clear corrupted localization files. Also test subtitles using a different user profile to rule out profile-specific settings. One key troubleshooting tip: boot the console into safe mode and select Rebuild Database before reinstalling. This often resolves missing or out-of-sync subtitles without losing saved data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.